Når eiris fener madin gomoch, og vademach så var, kehiving chom, na storm och Christ der schiffen go fonte. Maar de visie shoot das darog is down, es laken maar na rosi, nor gashgesi, God lolam chrishe dwerchi, come into khoni. As I roamed out for to view the plains one summer's morning early, who should I spy but a pretty fair maid, and she dressed up so neatly. Her cherry cheeks and ruby lips, her eyes would dazzle the daisies. When I took this fair maid by the hand, she said, young man, go easy. Maar es trouw door meisje go font me gerd, maar es mat as gem chorsen, is mo par krev, the house of fen gan me vetain na lonte. Maar de winning fjärre nicht der knik, da jening kroch nu stakin, the rinking rill at the storm och rip, broch na karge bane. I am a plough by the seed for to sow, and that is well known to my neighbours. 'Tis many's the field that I have ploughed, and that without much labour. For I'd plough and sow, both reap and mow, and gather it into your garden. I'd sweep the floor, and I'd dance with you on the banks of Carrigabbane. The lang falling Deutsche Rog, maar mechanach let kieroge, da meche so gom, me halum gone out to fend the barlum. O glesig so gilen, es gloslum hen her sale, is traufe mead, na quanta dying of roch na Carrigabbane. I would spread my mantle for you, young man, if 'twas only the breadth of a farthing, if I thought your mind was as good as your word. 'Tis you, of course, I'd rather. So wake, arise, my labouring boy, and come with me in the morning, and we will plough the briny waves from the banks of Carrigabbane.